CoLight have kindly sent us a set of their 3-inch Diamond Series side shooter ditch lights, which have an RGB backlight. Along with this, they have also sent out a new product of theirs, and that is the quick release mountain plates. And today we're going to be focusing on the installation process and showing you how the quick release system works on our Discovery Sport. Now, these plates are designed to be installed on the top of your bonnet near the windscreen. The process simply involves loosening the screws on the bottom of the plate using the Allen key provided to release the clamp system. You then slide the mountain plate into position and open the bonnet and tighten it from the inside. And then you do the same again on the other side. So now that we have the brackets fitted, we now need to fit the wiring harness. Basically, you have your positive and your negative, as you would expect, and those just go directly onto the battery terminals. Now on the Discovery Sport, you just need to undo these plastic clips, and then you can open the tray of the battery. Now the great thing about this is that the harness is a complete harness. That means it has a relay, fuse, the light connectors and a light switch all built into it. This makes your life a whole lot easier because you don't need to go down to your DIY store and try and get in a hold of the wiring to make the harness yourself. I'm now going to go ahead and clip my lights into position using the quick release plates and then plug it in using the harness. So you can see they are fitted nicely on the Discovery Sport. This is the remote. This is the only bit that needs to go into the vehicle. All of the rest of the harness would basically be left under the bonnet. So the remote itself is pretty good quality. It does also come with double-sided sticky tape on it so that you can stick this to your dashboard, which will save you from having to drill any holes for a permanent switch. As you can see, there are two buttons on this remote. There's the top RGB button, which controls the background light, and then there's the bottom one that controls the actual spot lamp. Now there's a fairly decent selection of background colours to choose from. I'm just going to circle through them quickly. Now the flickering is actually as a result of the camera, it's not the light itself. It's something to do with the shutter speed and frame rate of the camera, so ignore the fact that they flicker, they are nice and solid in person. Something that I did also find pretty cool was the fact that the RGB button on the remote also has a built-in light that matches the colour that's illuminated on the spot lamps. I am honestly surprised of how good the quality of these lights are. I really also love the way that you're able to just unplug these and then use a quick release plate to take them off. This is a great security feature. I do also love these interchangeable trim rings that come with the lights. It's just a nice little feature to add a bit more personalisation to your vehicle. Now I'll be honest with you, I am not leaving these on my Discovery Sport. I was so impressed with the quality of them that I actually want to save them for the next vehicle on my YouTube journey. And if you want to find out what that is and help become part of my journey, then please hit that subscribe button because it means more to me than you could ever imagine. And don't forget, if you're in the market for any kind of vehicle lighting, whether it's light bars, spot lamps or LED headlights, CoLight has you covered. Their gear is built to last with top tier quality and excellent customer service to match. I've been seriously impressed with what they have to offer, and I'm sure you will be too. So don't hesitate to click the link in the description down below and head straight to CoLight's website to see their full range. Whatever setup you're after, they've more than likely got it.